Hello everyone, thanks for joining my YouTube channel. I'm sharing my desktop on the screen. What you see is my account. I opened this account with $100,000 and currently I am $179,000. So I'm around $79,000 in profit. And what you see on the screen, my account history. I opened this account on December 12th. Today is April 15th. And let me confirm the date. Sorry, it's April 9th. So I put this account on December 12th, and you see I have profits as well as losses. So I just closed all my trades. Let me give a quick rundown, and these are all my profits: 900, 1400, 1800, 5000, these and all. And I'm $179,000. And I trade forex as well as stocks. Um, these are the stocks I'm tracking for now. So this is a challenge for me from 100,000 to how much I can make before the end of the May 30th, around 5 months, I will say, from the day my opened account. So I use the same strategy. I prefer to look at just naked graphs without any indicators or without any um, alerts or anything, right? Because the more you add, the more confusing it gets. It's not a rocket science. I spent around 2 years to understand the markets, how the markets behave, why they go up, why they fall. If they go up, how high they will go, and why they fall. So pretty simple, right? But it takes time and dedication to get to that mark, right? So I just draw these lines, and yep. So you need to be good at drawings to understand the market behavior, and instead of chasing thousands of stocks every day, what I do, I just have a list of few stocks. I look at them every day, and based on the pattern, based on the chart pattern, I will say, um, I get into those trades, and I place order and close position. So I mostly prefer to do swing trades. I'm not a day trader. I spend most of my time looking at the weekly charts, daily charts, and once in a while I go for 4 hours. But anything below 4 hours, it's not my cup of tea. So I would go and make more videos in future, and I will show you the strategies and how to understand these graphs and patterns without getting yourself involved into hundreds of indicators and adding so much stuff and garbage on your screen and getting yourself in confused. So I'm not just making up, right? You see these profits, right? And you also see the losses. But again, this date proves what I'm talking about. Um, December 12th, I opened with 100,000. I had $9,000, $9,500 loss. I forgot to put a stop loss there, and it just caught me by surprise, I would say. And I came back from that, right? From 90,000, I came to 91, and there was a point, you guys won't believe, um, I was down to $36,000. You see here, $36,000. Um, that's shame, right? Even $31,000. That's called overconfidence, right? So I was low as $31,000 in January 27,000. I mean, January 27th, that was $31,000. Sorry for distraction. And then, my God, look at this. Um, I even touched to low of $27,000, right? Even $26,000 in February 18th. So I would say from $26,000 in February 18th, today is April 9th, March, almost under 2 months, right? I came from $26,000 to even 25,000, right? Came all the way from 25,000 to, you see how the numbers started going up, 30, 27, 31, 69, 65, 76, 72, 80, 45. Then boom, you see that? That's how you trade. Now you must be wondering why from 100,000 I went all the way to 25,000. Because I'm very eager to try different things, right? And different indicators. I don't want to call those indicators, right? I don't want to call them by name. So I tried those indicators, and you see what happens. From 90,000, I came to $24,000, right? Even below 25,000, under 25,000. So then again, I said, you know what? It's not going to work. This is not going to work. I will go back to my way of style, my style of trading, which is just looking at these graphs without any indicators, without anything, just putting the lines on them. That's how I do. And what I can see, maybe most of you might not be able to see looking at the graphs, right? Now, I can tell you within a couple of days this will go up. Just by looking, I can tell, given the situation is right and everything goes well. As you know, we are going through this pandemic, right? COVID-19 crisis. It's highly volatile. Nobody knows what's going to happen. But again, if everything goes well, I'm looking this guy to come all the way till here. But again, this is only suggestions, right? I'm not asking you to go and buy or do anything. So then I went back to my way of style, my style of doing trades, and from 24,000 February 27th, today I'm standing at 180,000, just around. And then you see these numbers, and numbers won't lie. So guys, if you like, please leave the comment. Um, and don't forget to press the thumb icon and the like button, and please subscribe. In future I will make more videos how I trade, what are the time frames, and what I track, how I track them, and so that will help you to pursue your trading career, right? On my channel you will see similar kind of profits on forex as well as stock. People say it's very difficult to trade forex. Trading the stocks are much easier, but again, if you know what you're doing, there is nothing called impossible. So I'm going to stop today. I will share more details. So I will show you from 179 in a couple of weeks where I would be standing, making profits from here, or maybe even losing some money if I continue the way I trade without distracting myself looking into different indicators and all crap. So believe in yourself, believe in your skills. Yeah. So thank you. Thanks for your time, and I will make more videos in future. Um, thank you so much.